All right, so this is command of textual evidence where we are supposed to support or oppose the given argument. So this piece of text is called an argument. Okay, the question says which of the following, if true, would most strongly support the underlying claim? An underlying claim says that biofeedback therapy increases treatment satisfaction. Okay, so I am going to eliminate the answer choices that do not prove this. If we look at answer choice B, it says the clinics that employ biofeedback therapy are among clinics with most registered patients. Most registered patients does not guarantee that the patients are satisfied. So B is gone. C, patients tend to find biofeedback therapy more effective. Okay, for insomnia than for long-term pain management. Okay, see, we have to talk about all the therapies in biofeedback, all the different ailments. We would effectively have to say that the patients find it effective for all kind of diseases rather than just for insomnia. So this is a partial answer, not very convincing, so I'm going to eliminate this. D says doctors tend to prescribe biofeedback therapy alongside other treatments. So if that is the case, if doctor need to prescribe other treatments, that means it is not that effective. So A is what we're left with, should be the right answer. And it is. Why? Because it says biofeedback patients rate the quality of healthcare more highly. That means they're satisfied if they're saying that the quality is good than the patients of equally effective therapies do. So compared with other therapies, they are more satisfied with biofeedback. A is the correct answer.